Now, tonight's video is in regard to the investigation that I engaged in last week on Friday that I was hindered. Now, so I just want to talk about the interview process, quote unquote interview process. So obviously you go into their interview room and you're free to go in there because by that stage they've taken off handcuffs or whatever. So you're actually free to leave at that stage. You don't actually have to go and do an interview. So you can just leave. But if you want to go do an interview, good luck to you. Now, make sure you say the right thing, obviously. Don't violate, always maintain your rights. Do not waiver any rights. And also they'll ask you if you stand under 3 rights, and that is obviously to get legal counsel, to phone a friend or whatever. And like a lot of people would probably say, no, you need to maintain all rights and do not stand under only 3 rights. That's why they ask you to understand. Now, one of the options obviously is like legal representation or something like that. So they're telling you right there that you're entering into a legal arrangement with them. Right? That's why they say, do you want to get legal representation or legal assistance, whatever. So what they're telling you is, okay, do you want to enter into a legal arrangement with us? We've just like roughed you up, unlawfully imprisoned you, and we need to settle this matter. So we want to settle it with you. So we have to enter into a legal arrangement with you to settle this matter because we've acted outside the law. So you're in negotiations to settle the matter of the unlawful arrest, the trespass, and unlawful imprisonment. So you're in negotiation. And with all negotiations, they make an offer to you and you make an offer to them. Right? I wonder what their offer is. Let me think about it. Oh, that's right. You may be charged. There's their offer. And do we rebut that claim? Well, I did. That's a very lovely offer for them to make an offer that you may receive a commercial charge, but we don't actually have any evidence to support any claim of a commercial charge. So that's why we make a contract offer that you may, and if you don't refuse that you may bit, then you're going to get a charge. It's the same with the fingerprints at the end of it. And it's like they said to me, everyone that comes in here has to do it, but you listen to this and you give us your answer. And it basically goes that we may take your fingerprints and that we may use violence against you. Oh, sorry, that was reasonable force. Sorry, I was meant to be violence. No, thank you very much. You may not use any violence. You may not charge me. And I may not give you my fingerprints. But thanks all the same. So, at the end of the day, don't worry about how you eat the apple. Concentrate on the contract law. So never understand, always maintain rights, and any offer they make with the word you may, refuse that contract offer. whether you may be charged, refuse that. No, thank you. You may not charge me. You may be, fingerprints may be taken. No, thank you. They may not. We may use reasonable force. No, thank you. You may not. So, just listen to my interview. It probably could have been done a bit better. But this is basically the first time I've looked into the interview process. So now that I know what happens in the interview process, it's not actually an interview. You're engaged in negotiations because someone has violated your rights and they want to settle the matter with you. That's what's going on. All right. Cheers, and have fun with your contracts. Refuse all their corruption. Bye.